Hey guys, welcome back to TJ Sales. Today, customer complaint that machine's not running. It's a Stihl TS420. Let's give it a look. Fuel looks pretty good. You'll see that? Nice and clean. Smells good. It's got good color to it. That's kind of loose. There's fuel, gas pumping in the bowl. Let's see what it does. Okay, well, she does run. Find out why this is loose. I imagine the carburetor's loose. We're gonna give her a look, see what the problem is. All the time, these machines are simple repairs: carburetor, spark plug, fuel. Most of the time, if you abuse them, of course, it'll be a little bit more than that, but majority of the time, that's what it comes out to be. You can get the parts off Amazon, but you can get them local. I recommend getting dealer parts because some of them parts just don't last. You get them online. Look good. They're cheap. Pre-filter. All that looks good in there. Nice and clean. Here's the card. This top plate off. See what we get. Get a lot of dirt in these screw holes. You don't want to strip them out. It feels like somebody already stripped it out. If you like this type of content, subscribe, like, share, all that stuff. If you don't, then don't subscribe. Get a little bit bigger one for that one. Oh, what is that, a T27? T30? Sometimes you can get a little flat screwdriver in there. Sometimes. Maybe not this time. Hold on, I'll be right back. See the tip on that one? Oh, I got this one here. It's a smaller one on this other side. Hopefully won't. There it is. Wants to go. There we go. See, oh, that's all. We could peek in there. It's not a big deal. It's not part of the carburetor. It's just sitting by itself. You don't want to see that? Sitting in its own little cradle. Snap her back together. Go with the next one. Now, I'm not going to explain every step, and I mean, if you watch this kind of stuff, you know what you're going to do. You know what to do. But I still look on YouTube, and as long as I've been doing this kind of work, I still enjoy watching other people do it. Don't ask me why. The way it is. And you have to watch these screws too. I have done it before. But you have the metal threads, and then you have the plastic threads, or threads for plastic. And it does matter where they go in. Well, that was a stripped out one right there. That one's tight. Tight. This back cover on. Putting the filter on. Put that on. Let's put it on here first. There goes the screw. don't know why he said it wasn't running. But it is. You let these sit a long time. These machines sit a long time, they'll gum up and the lines will start to leak and all that fun mess. What the hell is going on? Try it again. I do weed eaters, golf carts, four-wheelers, ATV, or yeah, well, same thing. Mowers, chainsaws, pretty much anything and everything. Small engine related. There was one screw missing from this bottom cover. Somebody else done been in it. Did I put one in already? Hold on, let me grab a light.